Hey there, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Today I'm standing over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois in front of a 2017 Chevy Malibu Premier. Now this pre-owned vehicle has 59,614 miles on it, has only had one owner, and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive Malibu that comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine and our 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we do get inside this Malibu, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system with jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. Now we do have a full moonroof as well. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating on both sides, push to talk Bluetooth, a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, front collision alert, and even cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.